Hello. Okay, I just want to show you guys something. Cindywood, premiumknittinglooms.com, has came out with pink pegs, which you can order them now. For the entire month of October, a certain amount of the proceeds, I forget exactly what it is, on the website it goes over all that detail. A certain amount of the proceeds does actually go towards, I think, breast cancer research. So that's really awesome. And of course it's pink and they're super cute. So that is a different option you have. For any loom that they sell, you can have the pegs pink instead of the white or the blue or the green or any other color that they offer. And I believe they're going to continue to carry the pink pegs, but just for the month of October are they donating proceeds. So that's really cool. Just wanted to show you guys what the pegs look like. They're very, very nice color. Alright, that's all I've got. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe.